Okay, so we've got to use the formula h, so for area of a trapezium, right? So area equals h times side A plus side B, and then you divide it by 2. So let's do some substitution and see where we end up, okay? So we're looking for A plus B for two parallel lines. Now that one and that one, they are definitely not parallel. So the parallel lines we need are these ones. That one and that one. And you can see the height is here because it's at 90 degrees to the parallel lines. So let's use those dimensions. The height, here are the parallel lines, that's A and B, right? So that's 2.8 is A plus 5.5 as B. And the height is 3, and you divide all that by 2. So let's just tidy that up. That is a little bit untidy. So A equals 3, and what is it? 2.8 and 5.5. Quick bit of working out. That's 13, and we're adding, and that's 8.3, right? So let's go with that. 8.3, and that would be divided by 2. Let's use our calculator now. So we're looking at 8.3 times 3. What does that equal? That's 24.9. So 24.9, and that gets divided by 2. So we might as well use our calculator again. Divided by 2 equals 12.45. What's the unit of measurement? It's meters, it's area, so it's got to be squared. And for the second one, similar process. Area equals height times A plus B, and we divide that by 2. So area equals, let's do some substitution here. Here are the parallel lines, so it'll be 8 plus 17.5, and we multiply that by the height, which is 6.9 divided by 2. So let's tidy that up a little bit. It'll be 6.9 multiplied by, let's have a look, 25.5, and that will be divided by 2. So I think it's time for the calculator again. So let's get the calculator out, and it should be 25.5 times 6.9 equals 175.95. 175.95, and that gets divided by 2. And the final answer, we've got to divide that by 2, half it, in other words, 87.975. 87.975. And what's the unit of measurement? Millimeters. It's area, so it's squared, and so that is the final answer.